Remember last video when I told you guys that we were going to be doing some stuff to the Skyline? Well, amazingly, everything just fell into place. And if you guys remember, this car has been struggling with fueling issues ever since I had it, and well before then. Probably one of the reasons why this thing has been through like 3 RB25 DETs. This one here is a complete full rebuild that we did on the channel a couple of months back, and obviously not wanting to go and rebuild the engine again, we've been trying to find a good fueling setup. We've been trying to work around the fuel ever since we got it, and I've never been able to push this car to its full potential because of its fueling issues. Even still now with a Walbro 255 pump and just everything hopefully maybe working, today we're going to be upgrading the fuel pump, getting ready for some new power. Now, one thing I haven't done just yet is the fuel filter, which should have been honestly one of the first things that I would jump to. However, I haven't done that just yet, but I know that we're going to need this new fuel pump for more power next week. So yeah, doing the fuel filter, we're going to be doing that just before we go as well. Hopefully pick up a few more PSI of fuel pressure, and then after that, this thing is going to be getting new turbo, forward-facing plenum, and just so many more things. So today we are installing the Walbro 460 fuel pump out of my FG Falcon. The FG went to a 525 pump just before it completely obliterated the gearbox. So yeah, today we're going to be installing its old 460 in the Skyline. So we're heading off to Whitey's Wiring to go to the fuel pump wiring upgrade. And then I also believe it's a boost reference valve or something along those lines that we're going to be installing so we can control the boost levels from the Link ECU instead of putting in a boost T and controlling it through that. So we're installing one of them today. Super keen. Let's get down to Whitey's Wiring. Rightio, so we're at Whitey's Wiring at the moment, and just before I do anything, can I show them that car?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Sweet. This thing, you will not believe what is in it. This has to be one of the cleanest swaps. It looks like it's made to be in there, doesn't it? It hurts my eyes to look at, but then it's so amazing. It is such a beautiful car. I believe this thing's just been freshly repainted and everything, so it's awesome. So yeah, today we're going to be doing the fixing the notorious fuel pump wiring issue that these normally get. Is it when you go to a 460 that these normally do this, or?
Oh, look, it's given the age of the car and the wiring and the way they control it, it's never meant for performance. So As soon as you start upgrading things, it's really not sufficient, and they just suffer from low voltage to the pump. So,
which is what we've been having issues with pretty much the whole time we've had the car. Yeah.
So we'll upgrade the wiring, upgrade the relay, all new stuff.
Yep.
And yeah, it'll be good to suit the 460 that's going in.
Yeah, excellent, no worries. So I think I said before we're going to put the 460 in today, but I didn't realize we'd actually just do the whole wiring upgrade and then do it back at Lep Labs. So we're going to end up doing that on Monday. So yeah, 460 is not going in today, but we're going to be doing the whole fuel pump wiring upgrade. So I believe you have a video on this up on your channel as well, don't you?
Of a similar setup, yeah.
Of a similar setup, yeah. So if you guys want to know anything about what he's doing at the moment, I won't go into too much depth because, to be honest, I don't know too much about it myself. But but if you guys do want to know anything about this, definitely go hit up Whitey's Wiring on either Facebook or YouTube. I'll link them both down below. And go give him some love because you've helped me out so far, the link and now this, so.
Accepting of love.
Please do. So yeah, definitely go check out both the links down below. We'll go get this thing done. So Sam's just like, yeah, start up the car. We just finished the fuel pump wiring upgrade. Yeah, all sweet, no worries at all. Started it straight up and really strong smell of fuel all of a sudden. Turns out we did get a little bit of extra pressure. And it's just leaked out from the back of the fuel filter. So if you guys can see down on the ground there, you can't really see much, but there's a big puddle of fuel. Oh, that's in a bitch of a spot too. Oh, that's annoying. I was going to say the line was weird. I might quickly just pull it out and have a bit of a look, eh? There was a big strong smell of fuel. Yeah. I'm wondering why.
That won't be too bad.
Yeah. Alright, I'll quickly just, I'll see if I can fish that filter. Righto, so we just, keyed on to check the pressure of the fuel pressure reg to see what it was saying. What was it saying?
It was 120 PSI.
Which is a bit more than...
That's why it's leaking.
Yeah, a bit more than we wanted. So, just going to get rid of the fuel pressure reg because we're going to be changing it around to an FPR 800. So yeah, obviously just babying it until I get out to Lep Labs, but Oh, that's funny. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, how's that? Well, even if you just wanted to do this one here, because that's the original stock fuel line there, if you just wanted to route that straight around to there.
That one's the original, is it?
Yeah, correct, yeah. Which
Okay.
you might just better take that one there off or something, or... Oh, it's probably a different size.
Of course it is. That's odd. Actually, it has to be a socket.
That's Max's fault. My apologies.
This random
we were fishing around for janky stuff, man. It's the STD 33 at the moment, like it's... Rightio. See how we go with round 2, hey?
Yeah.
Rightio. Let's turn her on real quick. Oh, sorry.
You're right.
Pump sounds a lot healthier now too, hey?
It was late
Yeah,
a bit.
certainly. Alright, you ready? Cool. Wonder if it's still going to smell rich or... Hopefully she's all good. Yeah, it smells good now. It smells pretty normal.
Not rich.
Yeah. Cool. Oh, my poor car. It'll get sorted soon. Alrighty, so the second thing we're going to do today was do the plug for the boost solenoid or the MAC valve. Oh, was that what it was? MAC valve? There we go, that one right there. So we're going to be plumbing that one in, or well, putting the plug in and everything there. What was that? What's that? Am I taking that out there? Oh, no way.
Hey, I have to sell a lot of stuff.
Oh, wow. That's crazy. What's this for? Do they send it out to you for me, or?
Yeah.
Since when? Thanks, Rob. That's wicked. You guys may have heard at the start of the video what the fuel pump sounded like. Listen to this now. How crazy is that? So much different. Hell yeah. Rightio guys, so just to clarify in this video just how big of a thing that this fuel pump wiring upgrade is. Originally we were going to do it when we first tuned the Skyline. We've just sort of been working around it, and this was kind of like the first thing that we probably should have done. We've done it now, and you guys can see like just the amount of extra pressure that we got. We literally, when we were there last time at Lep Labs, we literally got the fuel pressure reg and we wound it all the way up so we could just try and get as much fuel pressure as possible out of that Walbro 255. With that whole upgrade that we've just done, we tripled our PSI in those fuel lines. So yeah, we had to remove that fuel pressure reg. There was no real need for having it there. Now that fuel pump's finally getting its right voltage, as long as I'm just easy with it. It is a little bit rich at the moment driving it around, but as long as I'm just chill with it, we'll be right to get it to Lep Labs on Monday morning. That MAC valve that we installed will allow us to actually adjust the boost pressure through the link ECU, which will just make it a whole lot easier. Otherwise we would have to use a boost tee and then keep going out and tightening it up or lifting it off depending on how much boost we want, which isn't the most ideal way of doing it. So yeah, that MAC valve is going to be awesome for doing that. And also I want to give a massive shout out to Link as well. So if you guys can see, I am covered head to toe in Link apparel at this current point in time. And that is because Rob at Link actually sent me out a whole bunch of stuff for going with the Link ECU, and also covering up a few issues that I had in one of my videos where I had a little bit of issues at the start of the video getting my car out to OnSong Performance because their website was down and I couldn't get through to any of their phone numbers or anything. And yeah, Rob actually helped me out to sort of guide me through how I can go about troubleshooting any issues that I potentially have with the Link ECU if I can't get either onto their website, which should be alright now because now I have the tuning software, and also how I can call Link if I have any issues. Now Rob was actually super nice and actually sent me out a whole bunch of stuff plus a letter basically going out how I can best troubleshoot something if I was to have an issue, which is really, really nice of him. I really do appreciate sending out that letter. I really appreciate them for all the hard work and for making this ECU. I love the accessibility of the whole Link software, and I'm keen to actually learn more about it on song next week. So yeah, massive thank you to Rob. And Link, if you're out there, I really want to work with you guys in the future. So I'm super keen. I'll try and get in touch with you guys once again. But yeah, massive thank you to you guys. I really do appreciate all the help and support you guys are giving me. And trust me, for the Skyline, there was no other option apart from going with this software. Everyone recommends it, and I'm just glad it's in my car. And I'm keen to get it tuned and keen to see the sort of stuff that I can set up with the Link ECU. We got a turbo, we got a heat exchanger for the Falcon, we got a plenum, we have a fuel rail, we have an FPR 800, we got injectors, we got everything down there. And I gotta go pick up a few gaskets today. We also got a throttle body adapter for the Freddy. Man, there's so much cool stuff going on at next. So yeah, the goal is to get the Skyline finished, and then after that we are going to take it out to the track because you guys all deserve it. Been waiting too long. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Make sure to go check out Sam at Whitey's Wiring. Both the links down below. I really appreciate it. I'll see you all in the next one. Peace out.